Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to emergency open the trunk in Golf MK7. So let's say that you had an accident or electrical malfunction and the boot release is not working anymore. So you need to access your car. If it's locked, there's an emergency door lock over here under this cover. There's a separate video about it. I'm linking it over here and in the description below this video. And once you have access to your car's interior and you want to open the boot, you need to do it like this. Fold rear seats. Go over here, and there's this element that you need to pop up, and over here you can see this little white thing. And if you stick something like a screwdriver or even your car keys over here, you can do it like this, and your trunk is released. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.